Hello, welcome. My name is Isaac, and my assistant here is
Really?
okay. Today we'll be giving you secrets. I want to give you the exposure. I want to expose you to how some things are being done in this our country. The first thing is yansh size. How we make girls yansh big. So I will not want to waste your time. See, I promise I will use not more than 12 minutes. I will explain everything. And make sure you watch it to the end though. Here is it. 12 minutes. Let the magic begin. These are what you need. Your tape rule. Atayeye. What's this thing? Carrot. A carrot. Sachet water. Cup. This red cup, very important. Even Justin Bieber uses it. Very, very important, Abi. And then, okay, your paper and pen to document things. And the stopwatch, it's working already. So, instruction number 1. Know the actual size, initial size. For those of you that does physics. Let's measure. Measurement. Oh, I'm not going to do ojoro. At the end of this video, you will see the actual size and the final size. The initial and the final. This is the first step. You know the actual measurement. Okay. 15, Abi? 16. The size is 16. That is the length. And from this angle, it's 10. 10. Take note, 10. So you record that one first. So you people will understand that this thing is working. It's a yansh size. Yansh size. Back. Back. Is that one is 16. Yansh size back is 16. Then yansh size side, the side, this is your side and this is your back. This one now is the back, this one is the size. That one is 10. So I have to be very quick. We've lost 2 minutes. Okay, then you know our height. Our height, very, very essential. Keep watching. Don't skip this video. It will help you. Especially those girls that want bigger. I'm giving you the secret now. This is a plain secret. It's factual. That's why they call me factual man. I give you facts. Okay. She's as tall as I am. This one says 5'4". Keep all these things are very necessary. I don't want you to skip anything. So height of the girl. We say 5'3", 5'4" or 5'3". One of these 5'3". Okay. Okay, let's go to this main event now. Okay, really, you can turn. You can turn. Turn. You see this pure water? I don't know what you call it in your language, but we call it pure water here. You may know it as sachet water. It's very, very important. Very important to get a good pure water. I don't prescribe bottled water. Don't use bottled water. Then this cup is red cup. You know. This cup and this cup, something you must know. They are not the same. Oh. This one can stand upside down like this. It will be upside down. Then this one will be like this. But this one cannot stand like this because it will fall. This one will fall. But this one can stand upright. Why this one? You don't need to put anything inside this cup. This one will stand. You don't need to put anything inside this cup. Just make sure that it's upside down like this. And this one can still be upside down. Like this. Don't make mistake. Oh, the middle one must be up. While the other side must face down. It's a simple instruction. Simple process. Once you follow it, you will get big nyash. And if you can be doing it like 2 or how many times a day do you do it? 7 times. 7 times a day. You can even at work you can do it. All these things very simple. I am giving you the simple steps. So Have I mentioned? Let me measure the waist now. I cannot forget. That's why I say you should always record these things. I needed to record it. Eh? Why are you complaining? First, this waist now. Waist. Don't skip. Wash it to the end. You don't know where I'm going. The result, if you skip it to the end, you will not know how all these things work. Just keep washing. Just keep washing. The waist now. Okay. Make sure you get the actual measurement too. It's very important too. 11. The waist is 11. Our time is still rising. Waist is 11. Okay. That is it now. Okay, you can sit down. Really, you can sit down. Sit down and face them. Let them see you very well. We do other things too. So while she is seated, this one is carrot. 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 If you want me to spell it, I will spell it for you. Carrot. Carrot. Make sure you buy. You can look for this exact size. These ones, they work very fast. You will like the end of this video. Don't worry. I am taking you along. Just keep following me. No, those Israelites, they believed in Moses. They followed Moses. Just follow me. At the end of this video, you will surprise your friends. Don't worry. Just keep following me. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. That's the spelling. Carrot is C-A-R-R-O-T. That's the spelling for carrot. Write it down. Write it down. That's carrot. And this one, you know, this one is tepru. Yes? Let's go back to this cup that are still lying there. Now, they were waiting for me to. So this is the cup now. This cup, as they are now, they are in their right places. This is the right spot. But this one is a bit further than the other one. To avoid imbalancing, you have to balance everything. You know, this side and this side need to work together and be in same shape so that the girl can walk majestically. All these things follow up. Please, I don't want anybody saying they made mistake during the. And if you lost along the way, you can go back and watch the full video again. But just keep following me if you are following me. Don't make any mistake, please. I beg you. Okay, I forgot to introduce you. This one is the most important part of this thing that we are talking. I can easily put this on top this one like this. It will stay. Very, very important. Please, I want you all to see. This thing is very important. This one on top, this one. Then don't forget, I brought 2 for this carrot. This one on this one like this. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Oh. Okay. We are still in the right place. No, don't take this one. This one, you can replace it with this one. Make sure don't miss this step. Pure water. Pure water. The water must be very pure. Very, very pure. You will love what we are doing here. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe now because we are heading somewhere. Subscribe because next week I will give you other secrets. Okay, this one is pure water now. She is supposed to drink the pure water, but she cannot because I am the one sweating. It will work. Just keep following. Keep following. I know I'm doing all this thing. You will understand. So, it's very compulsory. And yansh will be big. Just keep. Don't worry. You are in a rush now. You want to play. Keep washing. And yansh will be big. What was our initial measurement? 16. 16. What our initial measurement? 16. Don't worry. Tag along. Okay. Our time is almost over. Don't worry. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Hold this one like this. Hold it though. Your turn. Turn. Concentrate though. I want you all to concentrate. Concentrate. Listen to what I'm saying. Okay. Bring it to the side so that they will see it. She's still holding it. She's still holding it. Okay, it's still 16. But no worry, it will grow. This thing is still 16. Don't eat your own, no. If you like, you eat it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe now. That is it. No, I'm not eating this one. It's still 16. It will grow. Just hold on a minute. It will grow. It will grow. We tried for today. You can turn now. Let's address the camera. It will grow. So the results might not be instant, but it will grow. Hope you followed all the instructions from every steps I told you, especially the cups. I positioned them well. Now they are all facing up. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and keep following us for new updates. Like next week now, I will tell you again how to walk majestically, how to catwalk, and boys will ask you for your number. So thank you. God bless you. Please subscribe and turn on your post notification. Thank you very much. Okay, you can go now. Thank you.